Hey guys, so welcome. This is how to restart camera on Android. So, if you want to do that, first thing, the first very practical solution is just simply go to your tabs and just simply close the camera. And once you close it, you can just simply open it up and that would restart it. Now, if you want to reset your camera settings, you can go for the camera, you can go for the gear on the top left corner, and from here, if you scroll down, you should be able to see here reset settings, and this will do a camera settings to reset, and this should make the camera back to default. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.